Happy morning, students. Hope everyone is safe at your home. Now, we are going to discuss a problem in parts and whole. Ramu wanted to give 18 potatoes and 20 tomatoes to his friend. He is having 3 friends, Abu Bakr, Srija and Nancy. For Abu Bakr, he is giving 1/5 of tomatoes and 1/3 of potatoes. Next, Srija is getting 2/5 of tomatoes and 3/6 of potatoes. After that, Nancy is getting the remaining vegetable. Ramu is having 18 potatoes and 20 tomatoes. He is giving to Abu Bakr 1/5 of tomatoes and 1/3 of potatoes. Srija is getting 2/5 of tomatoes and 3/6 of potatoes. Nancy getting the remaining vegetables. We want to find that how many potatoes and tomatoes will Nancy get. First, we have to find Abu Bakr. Ramu, total number of potatoes 18, total number of tomatoes 20. Abu Bakr, part of tomatoes 1/5, part of potatoes 1/3, part of tomatoes 1/5, number of tomatoes will get. Already we know that we want to multiply the parts with total. So 1/5 multiply 20. When we are finding part of any quantity, first we have to draw a hole and split into parts. I am drawing a rectangle and divided into 5 parts. After that, shading 1/5. In the total, I am coloring only 1 for 1/5. After that, I am dividing 20 equally to 5 parts. 20 divided by 5 will get 4. So, each part will have 4. So, look at your diagram. 1/4. One part having 4. 1/5 of 20. We want to split the whole into 5 parts. After that, divide 20 by 5. We will get 4. So, we can write 4 in each boxes, that is each part. Here, we have colored only one box for 1/5. That is your answer. One box having 4. So, 1/5 of 20 equal to 4. Next one. Part of potatoes 1/3. Number of potatoes will he get? 1/3 of total. Total potatoes is 18. 1/3. So, we have to split the whole into 3 parts. Here, I am splitting the whole into 3 parts. Next step. What is the next step? Yeah, we have to divide the total into 3 parts. 18 divided by 3, we will get 6 times. 6 3s are 18. So, we can write 6 in each part. Here also, we are having 1/3. So, we can take only one part. So, our answer is 6. In the first one, 1/5. So, we are writing the answer only one part, that is 4. In the second step, 1/3, 1/3. In the total 3, we are taking only 1. So, your answer is 6. Next, Srija. Part of tomatoes 2/5. Here, we have to split the whole into 5 parts and want to shade 2. Here, I have colored 2. 2 out of 5. After that, 2/5 of 20. Totally we are having 5 parts. So, we are dividing 20 by 5. We will get 4. So, 4 will be in each part. We have shaded 2 boxes. So, we want to take value of 2 parts. 4 plus 4, 8. How many parts you have colored? That is your answer. 4 plus 4, 8. Next, part of potatoes 3 by 6. Here, you have to split the whole into 6 parts and color 3. Here, I am having 6 boxes and having color only 3 for 3 by 6. Next, number of potatoes will he get? 3 by 6 of 18. 3 by 6 of 18. Here you are having 6 parts. So, we want to divide 18 equally to 6 parts. 18 divided by 6, you will get 3 times. 3 6 are 18. So, all the parts will have 3 in it. Now, how many parts are colored? Yeah, 3. So, take all the 3 values. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So, your total potatoes is 9. Next, we want to find out for Nancy. Number of tomatoes given. For Abu Bakr, 4 tomatoes. For Srija, 8 tomatoes. 4 plus 8, 12. What is the total? 20 tomatoes Ramu having. So, in that 20, we are subtracting the 12. 20 minus 12, 8. Same thing, number of potatoes given to Abu Bakr and Srija. Abu Bakr getting 6 potatoes. Srija getting 9 potatoes. 6 plus 9, 15. Total 18 potatoes. In that 18, we are subtracting the number of potatoes given. 18 minus 15 equal to 3. So, already we have seen Nancy got the rest of vegetables. So, Nancy is getting all the remaining vegetables. That is 8 tomatoes and 3 potatoes. Here we are finding first for Abu Bakr, next Srija, after that Nancy. Hope you are clear with this sum. Thank you.